Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to install Taiko Tatsujin on your PC. So first, just open the link in the description box below. Then now you can scroll down and then find the download link on the middle. Okay, so now click the download button. And the file will start downloading and then it might take a couple of minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so now just open the File Explorer and then go to Downloads. Right click on the file and then now I'm going to extract the zip file. So now wait for it to extract.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so now just click on the folder that extracted the files and then you can see there's an application file of the Taiko Tatsujin Rhythm Festival app. Just double click and click run. Okay, just allow the access. Okay, now you can click the Taiko Tatsujin app and then you can see it's running. Okay, now press enter and then select your language and then click yes. Now just accept. If you have to read this, just confirm it and then go back and then you can accept it. Okay, this is fine, so just close it and then you can see it's working fine. Then you can play the Taiko Tatsujin. I think this ends our video, and then if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below and give me a like and subscribe to the channel. So see you next time.